Thanks to everyone who have subscribed. If you have not, please do. And thanks for coming out here. I really appreciate you.
Obaseki's original UI certificate surfaced in courts. Hello, my people. Breaking news. Though Obaseki's original UI certificate surfaced in court today. You know, this matter was what they've been dragging it up until now. This morning, we brought you up to date with a video of all that happened in court. Yesterday, the UI certificate, the ever so contested certificate, the results, you know, by the time you finish, you'll be given a certificate that is supposed to be signed by the university, either by the vice chancellor or the registrar of the school, which was the bone of contention by the opposition, APC, Ize Iyamu, and yesterday, the court adjourned the meeting to today. Here are the full details of all that happened. The sudden illness of Justice Hamed Ramatu Mohammed stayed the Thursday hearing in the alleged certificate forgery suit suited against the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki. However, Obaseki-led counsel Ken Mosaic San, while speaking with reporters after adjournment, displayed the original Bachelor of Arts degree of the University of Ibadan awarded in 1979. The UI had in June confirmed that Obaseki was a student of the institution. Olubumi Faleye, the registrar, in a statement noted that the Edo governor gained admission in 1976 and studied classic. The All Progressive Congress APC and a chieftain, William Edobo, sued Obaseki, the People Democratic Party, PDP, and the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. The plaintiffs are arguing that the certificate Obaseki presented to INEC was fake. The judge had on Wednesday adjourned the hearing for the cross-section of the fourth complainant's witness. Raphael, a retired police officer and forensic examiner, was there to examine the certificate. On Thursday, Justice Hamed announced that he has been seriously attacked with malaria and would not be able to go on with the full hub of the day proceeding. The plaintiff-led counsel, Akin Olujomi San, on behalf of others, sympathized with the judge. He did not oppose the suggestion of Mosaic and Salemo lawyers to Obaseki, PDP and INEC, and that for the matter be adjourned till Monday, January the 4th, 2021. The case was filed in July 14th, and by the constitutional provision of 180 days for pre-election matters hearing, time frame will elapse on January the 13th, 2020. The lifespan of the case is so slim and anything can happen any moment from now. The judge is seriously tied down with malaria and could not attend to the case. As it stands, the case has further been adjourned to Monday, 4th, 2021. Don't forget that by 13th, first thing on Monday morning, 13th January, if no further actions has been taken, so be it. So my people, this is the reality, the true state of what is on ground right now. The judge on the case is not well. He was in court yesterday, gave the whole court proceedings. Everything went on very well. You know, APC presented more witnesses. Professor who entered school and graduated about the same time with Governor Godwin Obaseki, who brought his certificate same year as Obaseki when he graduated. The very students about the same time was in court, and he took the stand and told them that this is his certificate, this is how it looks, and this is what it is. Anyway, INEC also presented a certificate and the form Obaseki filled by the September 19 election. And that form, also showed the attached copy of Obaseki's credentials, which was part of the requirements for the form. Obaseki presented that, and that's what has been going on now. The court case continued, and only for the matter was adjourned because they had to examine and bring in more evidences. Obaseki's lawyer said the matter is simple, that there is University of Ibadan is around the corner, that what happened was Obaseki's certificate was photocopy, from A4, is it A5 to A4, trying to, about that. And they lost some of the letterings, some of the content in the certificate. That's why they are not seeing what they said Obaseki left out, and that does not that they feel it was a fraud certificate. Anyway, my people, Obaseki's lawyer was in court today, and he came there to tell the people, to show them Obaseki's result. However, the judge, who is to listen to the cross section of all the evidences placed, as well as Obaseki's lawyer that has brought in Obaseki's UI certificate. Don't forget that the registrar of University of Ibadan had some time ago published in national newspaper with regards to Obaseki's certificate that indeed he gained admission, he studied classic studies, he graduated. As a matter of fact, is an alumni from University of Ibadan. However, that has not been accepted by APC, who has since, taken Obaseki to court and has said, we don't accept that. So, the case is still ongoing, but at the end of the day, the judge today coming to court, sent a message down that is unwell. He cannot attend proceedings and cannot give, decision on what is on ground today. He said he's down with malaria and he was in court yesterday. So we don't know exactly what's going on. The man is ill, and then other judges sent their, get well speed recovery to him. They've sent him a message saying, get well and what have you. So that's where we are today. The matter has been adjourned to January the 4th. January the 4th, which is next week, Tuesday. All things being equal, God willing, January the 4th. We'll be keeping you up to date. Please like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now.